Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most perfect soft-boiled eggs. Soft-boiled eggs are a great and simple way to add a touch of luxury to your breakfast or even to use as an ingredient in different dishes. And the best part? You only need 2 ingredients to make them. For this recipe, you'll need 2 medium eggs, at room temperature. Now let's get started. Step 1. Fill a small saucepan with enough water to cover the eggs and bring it to a simmer on medium-high heat. While the water is heating up, let's talk about why it's important to use room temperature eggs. Cold eggs straight from the refrigerator will cause the shells to crack more easily, and also, the eggs won't cook evenly. So, make sure to take the eggs out of the refrigerator and let them reach room temperature before starting the recipe. Step 2. Use a spoon to gently lower the eggs into the water and start a timer for 6 minutes. Soft-boiled eggs are the perfect balance between runny yolk and firm whites. And the cooking time of 6 minutes is what gives you that perfect texture. You don't want to overcook or undercook the eggs, so make sure to keep an eye on the timer. Step 3. After 6 minutes, remove the eggs from the saucepan with a slotted spoon and place them in a bowl. Step 4. Cover the eggs with cold water for 2 minutes to stop the cooking process and to cool them down. This is an important step because it prevents the eggs from continuing to cook, and also makes them easier to handle. And that's it. Your soft-boiled eggs are now ready to be enjoyed. Soft-boiled eggs are a great breakfast option, a tasty snack, or a delicious addition to salads. I personally love to have them with toasted bread, but you can enjoy them however you like. And if you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe, and if you did, please give it a try and let me know in the comments below. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and cooking tutorials. And until next time, happy cooking!